Okay, we have a GCE question here. We have to evaluate log 2, 3 log 2 plus 2 log 5 minus log 0.2. So let's go there. This is the same thing as log 2 to the power of 3. Recall that if you have a log b, it's the same thing as log b to the power of a. So we apply that here, plus log 5 to the power of 2 minus, we'll write this to have it as log 2 over 10. We can express it in another different way, but I prefer this one. So in logarithm, what you do here, the positive signs, you convert it to multiplication. The negative is to division, just as in the law of indices. So this will be log, open bracket, 2 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 2 divided by 2 over 10. So by implication, this is the same as log, open bracket, this will be 2 times 2 times 2, and then times 5 times 5, balance here with 1. We'll change this to multiplication, then this will go up and this will come down, so that one of these will go with this. We are left with log, open bracket, this time this is 25, 25 times 2 is 50, 50 times 2 is 100, 100 times this will give us 1000. So this is equivalent to log 10 raised to the power of 3 and is equals to 3 log 10. Usually this is in base 10, and if it is in base 10, our final answer will be 3 bracket 1, which is 3, because log a base a is equals to 1. So by implication, this will give us 1. Or when you press from calculator, the log of 10 definitely will give us 1. As such, we have this to be our final result. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and share.